The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 is a powerhouse GPU with 24 GB G6X memory, 2.23 GHz clock speed, and Ada Lovelace architecture for ultimate gaming and creative performance. Featuring AI-driven graphics, ray tracing, and DLSS 3.0, it delivers ultra-high FPS and 4K gaming. Perfect for gamers and professionals seeking top-tier performance. The RTX 4090 is the pinnacle of modern graphics technology, delivering an unprecedented leap in gaming performance, efficiency, and AI-powered capabilities. Designed for both gamers and creators, this GPU pushes the boundaries of visual fidelity and computational power. Key features: graphics coprocessor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, brand, NVIDIA, graphics RAM size, 24 GB, GPU clock speed, 2.23 GHz, video output interface, HDMI, product dimensions, 11, multiplied by 4, x 0.04 inches, item weight, 10.72 pounds, manufacturer, NVIDIA GeForce, ASIN, B0BJFRT43X, model number, 901G1362530-0, unparalleled performance. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 is the most powerful GeForce GPU ever created. It offers an enormous leap in performance over its predecessors, making it an ideal choice for high-end gaming, professional content creation, and AI-driven workloads. Powered by the cutting-edge Ada Lovelace architecture, it ensures superior speed and efficiency while delivering a groundbreaking gaming experience. Next-level gaming experience. With 24 GB of G6X memory, the RTX 4090 is built to handle the most demanding games and applications. It provides ultra-high frame rates and razor-sharp details, allowing gamers to enjoy breathtaking virtual worlds at 4K resolution and beyond. The combination of high GPU clock speeds, 2.23 GHz, and next-gen ray tracing technology ensures lifelike lighting, shadows, and reflections, creating the most immersive gaming environment possible. AI-powered graphics and productivity. The RTX 4090 integrates AI-driven graphics enhancements such as DLSS 3.0, boosting frame rates while maintaining exceptional image quality. This technology enables higher performance in demanding titles without sacrificing visual fidelity. Additionally, AI-powered tools significantly enhance video editing, 3D rendering, and other creative workflows, making it a game-changer for professionals in the creative industry. Cutting-edge connectivity and build. This Founders Edition GPU comes equipped with an HDMI output interface, ensuring seamless connectivity with modern gaming monitors and display systems. Measuring 11, multiplied by 4, x 0.04 inches, and weighing 10.72 pounds, its robust build quality ensures durability while maintaining efficient thermal management. Conclusion: the Vipera NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 Founders Edition is the ultimate solution for gamers and content creators seeking the highest level of performance. With its state-of-the-art Ada Lovelace architecture, 24 GB of G6X memory, and AI-driven advancements, it redefines gaming and professional workloads. Whether you're an enthusiast looking for top-tier gaming performance or a professional demanding maximum productivity, the RTX 4090 is the perfect choice for you.